Buti na lang may hangin. May dala akong orange, 3. Naglagay muna ako ng sunscreen. Kalimutan ko maglagay kanina. Biglang nangati yung ko. Nagdala na kami ng umbrella kasi sobrang init. Ano ba ka ito sa gawa ito sa sa dito? Parang siya Makati yung ay! Tidy down, bebe! Nakalimutan namin yung stand. Umbrella stand. Kasi kanina, yung truck gamit namin, kaya lang yung tire na nabutas. So bumalik kami. Halfway through, bumalik kami. Tapos ito, jeep na yung dinala namin. Tapos nakalimutan niya dalhin yung umbrella stand nandoon sa truck. Do you want sunscreen, bebe? You want sunscreen? No? Di talaga yan mahilig mag ano. Ako naman, hindi naman ako mahilig, kaya lang masakit mahapdi yung yung sunburn, mahapdi, kaya mag-aano na lang ako sa sunblock, sunscreen, sunblock, sun. Tapos mayang hapon punta kami sa school kasi open house nila. Start na yung school nila by next month, first week of next month. Late na dito sa amin, depende sa school. Yung ibang school naman sila, August pa lang nag-start na, pero dito first week sa September. Medyo nawala yung yung kati. Nilagyan ko nito. Yun? Saan nakuha yun? Buti na lang may breeze. Medyo mahangin. Nung nagpunta kami dito, nung sumama ako. Sumama ako nila, walang hangin, tsaka sobrang init talaga. Hindi din kami magtatagal dito kasi nga late na kami dumating, tapos init, tapos mamaya punta pa kami sa school, baka bumili na din ng school supplies. Yung mga school supplies naman na binibili namin, ano, di niya ano, magamit lahat. Kadalasan ano lang, pens, kasi kadalasan naman nasa computer lang. Tapos yung mga paper na ano ba ang school na mag-provide, mga exam ganun, nakaano na. Tapos baka ano lang, yung notebook, mga notebook, pero kadalasan talaga eraser, pencil, pen, pa ba, tingnan ko mamaya yung listahan nila. Marker, dry erase marker, yan yung kadalasan talaga. Di naman lahat magagamit yan, tapos another school year naman bibili na ulit. Naipon ba? Every school year. Kaya madami pa din siyang ano. May mga pencil pa din siya sa bahay. Okay, yung ginagawa nila doon. Ay, natumba! Be! The umbrella fell. Malambing yan siya sa bahay. Yung anak ko. Kaya lang pag ano na yung nasa school na yung mga kasama niyang mga friends, para teenager na kasi. Ayun na magpa-storbo ba? Natulong siya. Kasi may mga bills daw siya babayaran. Nagka-bills na. Kaya ayan, natulong. Tayo bebe. Maghahanap ako ng mga damit niyan. Baka sa ano na lang. Thrift store. Kasi kadalasan naman sinusuot. Hindi yan nagsusuot talaga ng ano, ng jeans. Kasagaran niya ano lang, sweats, short pants. Ayaw niya ng jeans. Kaya hirap ako maghanap ng mga ano, sweats. Di man good sila mag-uniform diri mo lang. Unang daghan kog labonon. Agi anang walay uniform sila diri din. Kada adlaw ilis. Kay usahay na sila activity sa gawas. Hugaw. It's hot na? Too hot? Drink some water. Drinks.
It's not that hot.
Not that hot. Why are you wearing black anyway?
Because it's fashionable.
Fashion si mga lubot. Drink.
Oh, is there another glove that's...
I don't know. I don't know about that. Here, oh.
No, that's for this hand too.
Yeah, it's that hand. Yeah, that's that hand. Yeah. Oh, okay. I don't know. How about at the back? The back?
I already kind of looked at the back already.
Or under the seat? Check under the seat?
That's what I'm doing.
Okay. Did Dad say we'll go boating this week? Or what? Weekend or what?
I don't know. You never told me.
You mentioned that a few days ago.
Me
Huh? What?
You never tell me anything about these things.
I don't have it in my... You really need to wash your face though. It's dry now. You need a haircut soon, huh? You gonna take a shower later?
Maybe.
So you're fresh when you go to school. Right? Are you excited for another school year? You did join the SpongeBob thing.
Nah.
Oi, this weekend is the free plane. Remember the plane that you don't want?
I don't want to do it.
Huh? Oh, you don't want to do that?
Yeah. Why'd you accept it?
Huh?
Why'd you accept it?
Oh, then we don't have to go if you don't want. I'm just saying you could try it because Koda tried it every year. Oh, ride it every year. His mom said.
How does that apply to me?
I'm just saying. So, wait, put that back.
That's kind of funny. I want to do that again.
No. I'm just saying maybe you like. Would be fun. I would try if there's no age limit, but it's only up to 17. Wyron is not even qualified. Just you.
How about Papa? Papa can go.
Your hair is really thick, huh? Do you want me to cut your hair?
No.
No? You don't want my your hair is fine? You want it longer? More? Huh? So you want it longer? Or I could cut it. I can cut it. Just like, hindi naman noon pa paputol nagbuhok sila na ako. Ever since ako tigputulan na nilang buhok. Then this year lang, gidala na mo sila og kuan. Kaya ag kinamagulangan, di na ganahan magpa putol dire na ako. So dito mi sa kuan, salon. Karon ang manghod, di naman po magpaputol og buhok nako. Na may rapod oy. Ano lang ako dito, bantay. Sige. Shout out na lang sa lahat. Bye.